Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official, where we make English simple and enjoyable for you. I'm Lima.
And I'm James. Hello, Lima. Hello, everyone out there.
James, you look very energetic today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic, Lima. I just had a wonderful cup of coffee, and I'm ready to help our listeners learn some amazing English today. How about you?
Oh, I'm doing great. I'm so excited because today's lesson is about something we all do, making plans with friends.
Ah, yes. Making plans. That's such an important skill in English. We all need to know how to invite people and make arrangements.
Exactly. But before we jump into our dialogue, James and I have a quick request for all of your wonderful people listening.
Yes, if you're enjoying Smart English Official, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us create more content for you.
And don't forget to click the like button too. It only takes 1 second, but it means so much to us.
Also, if you know someone who's learning English, share this episode with them. Learning together makes everything better.
Absolutely. Okay, James, shall we introduce today's dialogue?
Yes, let's do it. Today we're going to listen to two friends, Alex and Jenny. They're talking about weekend plans.
I always like Alex and Jenny. They speak so naturally.
They really do. All right, everyone, let's listen carefully to their conversation.
Hey, Jenny, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not really. I'm thinking about staying home and watching movies. What about you?
I want to go to the new cafe downtown. Have you heard about it?
Yes, I have. My sister went there last week. She said the coffee is amazing.
Would you like to come with me? We could go on Sunday morning.
Sunday morning sounds good. What time should we meet?
How about 10 o'clock? Is that too early for you?
No, that's perfect. I usually wake up at 8 on weekends.
Great. Should we meet at the cafe or somewhere else?
Let's meet at the bus stop near your house. It's easier.
Okay. The bus stop's at 10. I'll see you there.
Perfect. I'm excited about this. Thanks for inviting me.
No problem. I think we'll have a great time.
Me too. See you on Sunday.
See you then. Have a nice rest of your week.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, that was such a natural conversation. I feel like I was right there with Alex and Jenny.
Me too, Lima. And did you notice how polite they were? Very friendly and clear.
Yes, and there are so many useful expressions in that dialogue. Should we break it down for our listeners?
Absolutely. Let's start from the very beginning. Alex says, "Do you have any plans for this weekend?"
That's a perfect opening question. Do you have any plans? This is how we ask if someone is busy or free.
Right. And notice the word any. We use any in questions. Do you have any plans? Do you have any ideas? Do you have any time?
Exactly. And Jenny responds with, not really. Not really is a very common expression.
It means almost no, or not exactly. It's softer than just saying no.
Yes. If someone asks, are you busy? And you're a little bit busy, you can say, not really.
Then Jenny says she's thinking about staying home and watching movies.
Thinking about. This phrase means considering or planning in your mind. I'm thinking about learning Spanish. I'm thinking about buying a new phone.
Great examples, Lima. Then Alex says, "What about you?" This is just like, "How about you?" It's a way to return the question.
Yes, we talked about this in previous episodes. It's so useful. Instead of repeating the whole question, just say, "What about you?" or "How about you?"
Then Alex mentions the new cafe downtown. He says, "Have you heard about it?"
Have you heard about it? This is present perfect tense. We use it because we don't know exactly when Jenny might have heard about the cafe.
Right? It's about an experience at some time in the past. Have you heard about the new movie? Have you been to Italy?
And Jenny says, "Yes, I have." She uses the full answer first, which is very clear.
Then she gives more information. My sister went there last week. Went is past tense because we know the exact time. Last week.
Good point, James. When we know the specific time in the past, we use past simple. Last week, yesterday, 2 days ago.
Then Jenny says, "She said the coffee is amazing." The word said is past tense of say.
Yes, and amazing is such a positive word. It means really good, fantastic, wonderful.
Now comes the invitation. Alex asks, "Would you like to come with me?"
This is beautiful, James. Would you like is so polite and friendly. It's perfect for invitations.
Yes. Would you like to have dinner? Would you like to join us? Would you like some tea?
You can use it in so many situations. And Alex suggests a specific time. We could go on Sunday morning.
Notice the word on before Sunday. We say on Sunday, on Monday, on the weekend.
And could makes it sound like a suggestion, not a demand. We could go means it's a possibility, an idea.
Jenny agrees and says, "Sunday morning sounds good." There's that word sounds again.
Yes, we use sounds when we give an opinion about an idea. That sounds fun. That sounds interesting. That sounds difficult.
Then Jenny asks, "What time should we meet?" Should is used here for suggestions or advice.
Right. What time should we meet? Where should we go? What should we eat?
Alex suggests 10 o'clock and asks, "Is that too early for you?"
That's very considerate. He wants to make sure the time is convenient for Jenny.
Too early means earlier than comfortable or good. Too late, too expensive, too difficult.
And Jenny says, "No, that's perfect." Perfect means exactly right, completely good.
Then she explains, "I usually wake up at 8 on weekends." Usually means most of the time, normally.
Yes. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually go to bed at 11. It's about habits and routines.
Now they need to decide where to meet. Alex asks, "Should we meet at the cafe or somewhere else?"
Somewhere else means a different place. Somewhere is very useful. Somewhere in the city, somewhere near here, somewhere quiet.
Jenny suggests meeting at the bus stop near Alex's house. She says, "It's easier."
Easier is the comparative form of easy. Easier, harder, bigger, smaller, faster, slower.
And she says, "Let's meet at the bus stop." Let's is short for let us. It's a way to make a suggestion together.
Let's go. Let's eat. Let's study. It's very friendly and inclusive.
Alex confirms everything. "Okay, the bus stops at 10. I'll see you there."
I'll is short for I will. It's a future tense. I'll see you, I'll call you, I'll be there.
Then Jenny says, "I'm excited about this." Excited is a wonderful feeling word. It means you're looking forward to something with happiness.
And she thanks Alex for inviting her. That's very polite. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for helping me. Thanks for coming.
Alex responds with, "No problem." This is a casual way to say you're welcome.
You can also say no worries anytime, my pleasure, or you're welcome.
Then Alex says, "I think we'll have a great time." Have a great time means enjoy yourself, have fun.
Will is short for we will. Another future tense. We'll have fun. We'll learn a lot. We'll meet soon.
And they end with, "See you on Sunday and have a nice rest of your week."
Have a nice rest of your week is such a kind thing to say. It means enjoy the remaining days of your week.
It's very thoughtful. You can also say have a nice day, have a good evening, have a wonderful weekend.
Wow, Lima, we covered so much in that dialogue.
We really did. Alex and Jenny taught us about making plans, using polite invitations, and confirming arrangements.
And all the little phrases like, would you like, how about, let's meet, and I'll see you there.
These are the building blocks of everyday English conversation.
You know, Lima, I think our listeners would benefit from hearing this dialogue one more time.
I absolutely agree. Now that we've explained everything, it will be much clearer. Let's listen to Alex and Jenny again.
Alex. Hey, Jenny. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Jeannie. Not really. I'm thinking about staying home and watching movies. What about you?
I want to go to the new cafe downtown. Have you heard about it?
Yes, I have. My sister went there last week. She said the coffee is amazing.
Would you like to come with me? We could go on Sunday morning.
Sunday morning sounds good. What time should we meet?
How about 10 o'clock? Is that too early for you?
No, that's perfect. I usually wake up at 8 on weekends.
Great. Should we meet at the cafe or somewhere else?
Let's meet at the bus stop near your house. It's easier.
Okay. The bus stops at 10. I'll see you there.
Perfect. I'm excited about this. Thanks for inviting me.
No problem. I think we'll have a great time.
Me too. See you on Sunday.
See you then. Have a nice rest of your week.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Beautiful. It sounds even better the second time.
I agree. When you understand all the pieces, the whole conversation becomes so clear.
That's the magic of learning English, step by step.
Now, Lima, should we review the key points from today's lesson?
Yes, let's do that. First, we learned, do you have any plans? For asking about someone's schedule.
Second, would you like to for making polite invitations?
Third, how about and what about for suggestions and returning questions.
Fourth, using on for days like on Sunday, on Monday, on Friday.
Fifth, let's for making suggestions together like let's meet, let's go, let's eat.
Sixth, I'll see you for confirming future meetings.
And finally, polite endings like have a nice week and thanks for inviting me.
Those are all essential phrases for making plans in English.
If you practice these, you'll sound natural and confident when talking to English speakers.
Absolutely. And remember, everyone, practice makes perfect.
Well, James, I think we've covered everything for today's episode.
Yes, it's been a wonderful lesson. Thank you all for listening to Smart English Official.
Before you go, please remember to subscribe to our channel. We post new episodes every week.
And hit that like button if you found this helpful. It encourages us to make more content for you.
Also, we have a question for you today. In the comments, tell us what are your plans for this weekend?
Oh, I love that question. I want to know what everyone is doing.
Me too. We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
Your comments make our day brighter.
All right, everyone. It's time to say goodbye.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us today. Keep practicing your English every day.
Even just 10 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep learning and keep smiling.
Until next time.
Take care.